RC every day. I'm just doing some wet sanding today. I can't feel my arms anymore. So I came up with a wild idea. I'm trying to help promote the kits and get things going. So I was going to weather and paint a body and offer it up for sale as like the kit with the body and everything, but already painted and patinaed. And I did this one over here, and I loved it so much I can't get rid of it. So I did another one. You know, each one's unique through the process. This one I just finished wet sanding, and yeah, I gotta let it dry for a little bit, and then we'll do the rust streaks over it, and it should turn the same color as the other one. It's pretty crazy how that color changes so much. It really goes from blue to green. But got another unboxing thing here today. As you can see, you've got to mocked it up. So my friend Nightcrawler's 3D, used to work with him a lot a few years ago, and he kind of quit doing it for a little bit, but he is back, and this is the I guess we were calling it the RC Everyday 5-window. It was a file that I had found and had him chop the top on it more because I like things chopped and low. And yeah, instead of 3D printing it, he is resin casting them. So we'll move all that stuff out of the way. This is, it really feels like plastic. This is crazy how solid. It's got a little bit of flex to it. Yeah, I don't know a whole lot about the finish on it, but it's nice and smooth. He spent a lot of time working off of a print and priming and sanding and priming and sanding, getting it as smooth as he possibly could before he made the mold. And yeah, he's got these available for sale. If you get in touch with him, I'll put a link below. I love the sedans. These won't work with my chassis without a lot of modification. See, this is my 5-window coupe that I built. This is one of his prints, and I got it really smooth. I absolutely love this car. It's one of my favorite builds. So if this is something that interests you, check him out. I'll put a link below in the video description. This is supposed to be heat resistant, just like my SLS prints are on my truck cabs, the Awesome Designs truck cabs that I sell. And I'll give you another option for your custom RC build. These won't fit like slashes and stuff like that. I get that question every now and then. It's more of the scale stuff. I mean, this is an RC 4-wheel drive Trailfinder 2 rear axle, a 1/14 scale semi-truck front axle. Some custom ones that are lowered. You can get these on eBay. And yeah, they're more scale. They're not going to fit on. So like I mentioned, I have these on the website for sale. This is what they come like. It's raw print, SLS, nylon infused. The chassis are separate, the bodies are separate. The chassis kit includes the rails, the grill, 5 cross members, including the grill. But I'm thinking I'm trying to raise some money to get some more products. I've got this custom hood that I'd like to have some manufactured and offer as an option for the kit that will fit up with this body perfectly. But yeah, you know, I gotta move the products I got, so figured I'd paint up a cab, weather it, and try to sell that as just a special thing from time to time. And like I said, I did this one and I loved it so much. I did the grill to match, so I decided to go ahead and do another one to sell. Keep that one for myself because yeah, you know, the first one of everything is kind of special to me. So this one will be up for sale. I don't know a price yet. Like I said, I think I'm going to sell it as like this full chassis bolted together with the grill and the cab mounted and painted, and that'll be it. Because I don't have, you know, that's all the kits include. I don't have a surplus of these drop axles and things like that, and transmissions and all of that. It gets expensive, so yeah. Trying to keep the cost down. But I think I'm going to go ahead and do the patina on this, and yeah, we'll check it out. All right, guys, had to go ahead and make that a roller just to look at. Not sure yet what I'm going to do with that one, but this was kind of my test to do the patina, the new process. And yeah, that came out fantastic. This one will be for sale on the website, I think. Hopefully by the time this video's out. It may already be sold, I don't know. Just doing I'm going to do a whole chassis kit with this grill and this cab. So the base price of that is around $260. Not sure yet how much I'm going to charge. I've got probably, I don't know, 5 or 6 sheets of sandpaper and 5 or 6 hours of sanding. So yeah, we'll do some math on that and see what my time's worth. But yeah, don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Just wanted to kind of mock it up and see it together. I'm missing some rods and stuff, so it kind of has a loose 3-link in the back. I didn't have enough to do a full parallel 4-link. Not sure of the engine. I've got some more parts coming, so that one I just wanted to mock up and take a look at. These, check out the links below. Nightcrawlers 3D, and yeah, really nice quality stuff. Just posted this on Facebook. People are getting excited about it. So it has the same type of recessed magnet mount here for firewall, just like we do on Awesome Design cabs. This does not have any kind of body mounting. It's going to be custom like all of my other builds used to always be. You've got to come up with a creative way to mount with magnets or whatever your preferred method is. But finish on this will be really nice. I think I'm probably gonna patina it, paint it up here before too long. It looks pretty clean. It needs a little bit of filing in the inside of the windows just to smooth out some rough edges. That's the way any cast part is. I don't know if anybody remembers 1/24th, 1/25th scale models. There was what's his name? Something Flintstone related. Jimmy Flintstone, I think. He did all these custom bodies that are resin cast like this, and I bought some before to use for other parts on models and things, but it just reminds me of that. It's really cool to see something this big cast out of resin. So but that's about it. I still haven't got the yellow #1 running yet. It really doesn't need anything except an ESC. I need to put a dash in it and a steering wheel and finish that part, but it just needs electronics, and I am, yeah. I've got so many cars right now, I don't have any spare electronics, so I'm still waiting on some revisions to this new hood for the kits, and we'll get a prototype of that printed out quickly and see how that goes. So other than that, get out there and do something fun with the hobby, guys. I appreciate everybody checking out these kits. RCEveryday.com, got them in stock right now, and be sure to check out Nightcrawlers 3D. But until next time, keep it scale.